Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to factory reset a 70 my Dashcam and restore it back to default settings. So let's get started. First, turn on your 70 my Dashcam. Now on the device, go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down and open System Settings. Here find and tap on Restore Factory Settings or Factory Reset, depending on your model. Once you tap on it, the Dashcam will show a warning message that all data and settings will be deleted. Just confirm the action by selecting OK or Confirm. Now wait a few moments while the device resets. The Dashcam will restart automatically, and all settings will be restored to default. After the reset, you may need to set up the device again like language, time, and Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. You have successfully factory reset your 70 my Dashcam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.